Good morning, student. Here your teacher Bhavna from your channel EduBunch comes with a chapter number 1, class 10th, exercise 1.1 from maths, the question number 5. Use the equalite division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is either of the form 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So here are B, according to the equalite theorem, A is equal to BQ plus R, as we all know the theorem. So this is a theorem. Now here R is greater than equal to 0 and less than the 3, because here B is 3. Here how can we take up B is 3? So here look here, the question is asking about the cube and the 3 into 3 cube. Question is asking about 3, so we are taking, because here is m and 3 into 3 is m, so here we are taking B is equal to 3 to satisfy the question. Now here, so R is equal to 0, maybe 0, maybe 1 and 2, not more than 2. So here we are solving to the three different portion for satisfying this result. Now here R is equal to Q. If the R is equal to Q, so here A is equal to BQ, B is 3, so we are writing the value of B is 3Q plus 0 Q. So here, because we are having only the 3, so we just take, when we are adding the 0, this digit gets same, so here we are only taking the 3Q cube. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, cube 3. So here we are taking 9 as a common and 3 cube. Now for next we are solving 1. We are taking the R is equal to 1 and here A is equal to BQ plus R and B is 3 here, so we are writing 3 and R is 1 here. So the question is asking about the cube. So we are taking the formula. Firstly we remember the formula before solving anything. A plus B cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3B square A plus B cube. So this is the formula. We should remember the formula before doing this sum. So here we are putting the value in the formula. So 3 cube plus 3 A square, it means square, and B is 1 here, plus 3 B square, it means square of 1, and A is 3 cube plus 1 cube. And when we are solving this, we get 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 cube plus 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, it means the 27 cube square plus 3 3 here, when we square the 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, so here 3 into 3 is 9, 9 cube plus 1. So here we are taking the 9 common from first 3 digits. So when we are taking 9 as a common, so we get 3 cube plus here is 3 q square plus 1, and here plus 1. So for the next, r is equal to 2. We are taking 3q plus 2q. It means 3 3 ja 9, 3q cube plus 3 a square, it means 3q square, and b it means 2 plus 3b square, it means 2 square of 2, and a it means 3q plus of q. So here when we are solving this, so we get 27 cube of cube plus here 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 multiplied with the 2, so we get 40. 2 ja 4 5, 54 q square plus here is 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, and 2 square of 2 is 4. So we are multiplying this. Here is 36 cube, 4 9 is 36, that's why we are taking 36, and here is 8. Cube of 2 is 8. So here we are taking 9 as a common, so 9 3 cube plus, when we are taking 9 as a common, 9 6 ja 54, so this plus 9 4 ja 36, it means this plus 8. Here look here, we are just taking m k is equal to 3q cube. So here is the value is 9k. It means this, simple digit, because m is any number. And when we are taking, I just erase the question because no need of the question, the sum is about to solve. So here from this we are taking n 3q cube plus 3q square plus 1. So here we get 9n if we are assuming n is equal to this bracket number. So 3n plus 1 here, and then we are taking here it's a t, we are just assuming it's a t, and the value of t is this 6q square plus 4q. So what we get here, 9t plus 8. So yes, we can write yes, it is verified. Yes, it is verified. So this is all about your exercise 1.1. With this question your exercises get finished.